I'm from Johannesburg, South Africa.
From Indiana.
Cincinnati, Ohio.
They have come from all over the world to exchange ideas on how to expand the Jewish faith and connect with non-observant Jews, something many of these rabbis from the Chabad Lubavitch movement and their families say they look forward to every year. The city, especially Brooklyn, is a major center for the group, one of the largest branches of Hasidic Judaism in the world.
It acts as an ongoing source of inspiration for us when we leave here and go back to our own community.
While in New York, the group made a stop in Cambria Heights Friday to visit the grave of Rabbi Menachem Schneerson, one of the group's former leader and a man some followers believe is the Messiah. Organizers were quick to say that's the belief only of a small group of people, and the rabbis came here only to pay their respects and pray that Schneerson will appeal to God on their behalf.
Our Rebbe means much to us, and the rabbi is his message and his everything that he represents is really the motivating force behind what we do.
The group runs thousands of Jewish community centers, synagogues, and schools all around the world as a way to reach out to the Jewish community as a whole. They are located in 72 countries.
We're focusing on the individual, how every single person is important, every Jew is important, and going back home, especially in small communities like mine, where it's important to remember that the individual, the one person that we meet, the extra person that we find that we have an influence on is why we're there.
The conference runs through the weekend, and it will wrap up with a banquet on Sunday at Pier 94 in Manhattan. In Cambria Heights, Rochelle Boone, New York 1.